Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out a camera that's changing the game for creators, travelers, and vloggers everywhere. Meet the 5K digital camera for photography, a powerful 75MP Wi-Fi vlogging camera that blends portability, clarity, and creativity in one smart device. If you're getting started on YouTube, travel photography, or just want pro-level results without the bulky setup, this is your go-to gear. Let's start with what really matters, image quality. This camera shoots at an impressive 75 megapixels and supports 5K Ultra HD video recording, capturing every detail with outstanding sharpness and color accuracy. Whether you're filming landscapes, travel vlogs, or product shots, the footage looks crisp, cinematic, and vibrant straight out of the camera. It features an 18x digital zoom, giving you the flexibility to capture everything from close-up portraits to distant scenes without losing quality. Paired with its 3-inch 180 degrees flip screen, you can easily frame selfies, vlogs, and creative shots from any angle, perfect for content creators who like being in front of the lens. Now, here's where it really shines for beginners. The user interface is simple and intuitive, meaning you don't need professional experience to get pro-looking results. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing instant transfer of photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet, ready to upload to YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok in seconds. The camera also includes a pop-up flash for night photography and low-light shooting, enhancing detail without overexposure. Battery life is reliable, offering long shooting sessions ideal for travel days or outdoor adventures. With its compact body and lightweight design, it's easy to carry anywhere. No need for heavy DSLR gear. The durable build ensures it can handle the rigors of travel, while the ergonomic grip makes one-handed shooting comfortable. Whether you're a beginner, student, traveler, or vlogger, this 5K digital camera gives you the freedom to create high-quality content anywhere. Check it out on Amazon through the link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Gadgetverse for more reviews of the latest creator tech.